Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself packing for a trip and second-guessing every item in your suitcase? What if I told you that bringing the wrong things could make your travel experience much harder than it needs to be? From unnecessary gadgets to items you'll never use, knowing what not to pack is just as important as knowing what to bring. Join us as we uncover 10 items you should leave behind to make your travels lighter, easier, and more enjoyable. Bulky clothing that eats up space. Heavy sweaters, oversized jackets, or bulky pants might seem like essentials, but they often take up way too much room in your luggage. Unless you're traveling to a freezing destination, these items usually end up as dead weight in your suitcase. Instead, consider layering lighter pieces, which are just as effective at keeping you warm and far more space efficient. Not only does bulky clothing monopolize valuable suitcase space, but it also adds unnecessary weight. Airlines can be strict with luggage weight limits, and overpacking can leave you scrambling to pay extra fees at check-in. By sticking to versatile layers and travel-friendly fabrics, you can pack smart without sacrificing comfort. If you're worried about staying stylish on your trip, don't fret. Accessories can make a huge difference. Scarves, lightweight cardigans, and compact hats can transform your look without hogging suitcase space. Plus, they're much easier to wash and dry on the go, which is a huge advantage for longer trips. Always check your destination's weather forecast before packing. This small step can prevent you from hauling unnecessary items you'll never need. Save yourself the trouble by choosing functional, lightweight pieces that can handle a range of temperatures and activities. Excessive electronics and gadgets. It's tempting to bring every gadget you own, but overpacking electronics can be a costly mistake. Many of these items add unnecessary weight and clutter to your luggage while increasing your risk of theft or damage. Stick to the essentials like your smartphone, a power bank, and maybe a lightweight laptop if absolutely necessary. Gadgets like portable printers, multiple camera lenses, or bulky gaming consoles might seem appealing at first but often go unused. Instead, opt for multi-purpose devices. For instance, most smartphones today have excellent cameras and plenty of storage for games or entertainment, making other devices redundant. Remember to factor in chargers, adapters, and cables, which can quickly become a tangled mess. Investing in universal adapters and compact charging hubs can help keep things organized. This approach minimizes the risk of leaving critical pieces behind at your hotel or airport security checkpoint. Security is another concern when traveling with expensive electronics. Ensure your devices are insured and always keep them in your carry-on bag, never in checked luggage. Not only does this protect your gadgets, but it also lightens the load of your checked suitcase. Full-size toiletries. Packing full-size shampoo, conditioner, or body wash bottles is one of the most common mistakes travelers make. These items are bulky, heavy, and prone to spills that can ruin your clothes and other belongings. Most hotels and accommodations provide basic toiletries, so there's usually no need to lug your own. If you have specific preferences, travel-size containers are the way to go. These small bottles are compact, lightweight, and easy to refill for future trips. Plus, they comply with airport security restrictions, so you won't have to worry about losing them during a security check. Reusable toiletry bags can also make a huge difference. Opt for a clear, waterproof bag that keeps everything organized and leak-proof. It's a small investment that will save you from the hassle of cleaning up sticky spills in your suitcase. Consider going minimal with your grooming products. Solid shampoos, toothpaste tablets, or multi-purpose cleansers can streamline your packing process and reduce waste. Not only are they practical, but they're also eco-friendly, which is a win-win for you and the planet. Too many shoes. Shoes are one of the heaviest and bulkiest items you can pack, and bringing too many pairs can weigh you down. While it's tempting to have options for every occasion, you really only need 2 or 3 versatile pairs: comfortable walking shoes, casual sneakers, and perhaps a pair of dressier shoes for special occasions. Overpacking shoes not only takes up valuable suitcase space, but also creates packing challenges. Their irregular shapes make them difficult to stack or fold neatly, leaving less room for clothing or other essentials. Plus, the added weight can push your luggage over airline limits. When choosing shoes, prioritize comfort and functionality. Opt for neutral colors and versatile styles that can transition between day and night. For example, a good pair of walking shoes can easily double as casual evening footwear with the right outfit. Don't forget to pack shoes in protective bags to keep dirt and odors from transferring to your clothes, and always wear your bulkiest pair during travel days to free up space in your suitcase. Books and paperwork. Physical books and stacks of travel documents are items that many travelers regret bringing. While they can be comforting or useful, they add unnecessary weight and bulk to your luggage. Instead, consider digital alternatives like e-readers and smartphone apps that store everything in one compact device. Carrying heavy books can quickly become a burden, especially during long journeys with multiple transfers. An e-reader not only saves space but also allows you to carry dozens of titles without the extra weight. It's a simple switch that makes a big difference. Important paperwork like itineraries, maps, and tickets can also be digitized. Most airlines, hotels, and tour operators accept mobile versions of these documents, reducing the need for printed copies. For extra security, save backups to cloud storage or email them to yourself. If you prefer to keep a physical travel journal, opt for a small, lightweight notebook. Bulky planners or hardcovers take up precious space that could be used for more practical items. Expensive jewelry or valuables. Packing high-value items like expensive jewelry is risky and often unnecessary. Not only do these items increase your vulnerability to theft, but they also require extra care and attention during your trip. Leave the heirloom pieces at home and stick to affordable, minimal accessories. Even if you have special occasions planned, you can usually find stylish yet inexpensive options to complement your outfits. This way you won't be devastated if something gets lost or damaged. Simplicity is key when traveling. Opt for items that are versatile and easy to replace. Travel insurance might cover lost or stolen valuables, but it's better not to take the risk in the first place. Keeping expensive items in your hotel safe can help, but it doesn't eliminate the worry of them being mishandled or forgotten. Instead of packing valuables, focus on accessories that are practical and functional. A lightweight watch, a scarf, or a sun hat can add flair to your look without putting your belongings at risk. Unnecessary tech accessories. Packing too many tech accessories is a common pitfall for modern travelers. Items like multiple chargers, extra cables, or bulky gadget cases can quickly clutter your bag without adding much value. The reality is, most of these accessories are either redundant or easily replaceable if forgotten. Start by assessing what you truly need. A single, compact multi-device charging cable or a portable charging station can replace multiple chargers, saving space and hassle. It's all about streamlining your setup to ensure you have just enough to stay powered without overpacking. Another item to reconsider is the selfie stick. While it may be great for solo travelers or group shots, it often becomes more of a nuisance than a necessity. Many destinations have restrictions on their use, and most smartphones now come with wide-angle lenses or timer features that make them obsolete. Instead of packing every gadget and accessory you own, focus on multi-purpose items that maximize efficiency. A lightweight laptop sleeve that doubles as a travel organizer or a compact Bluetooth keyboard that works with your phone can simplify your tech setup and make your travels more enjoyable. Excessive makeup and beauty products. It's easy to go overboard with makeup and beauty products, especially if you're used to a full routine at home. However, these items can take up a lot of space and weight in your luggage, often without being fully used during your trip. Instead of packing your entire collection, pare it down to the essentials. Travel-friendly makeup palettes and multi-use products like tinted moisturizers or dual-purpose lip and cheek tints can replace bulky individual items. This not only saves space but also simplifies your routine while on the go. Plus, you'll be prepared for different occasions without needing an arsenal of products. For skincare, stick to small containers or sample-sized versions of your must-haves. Most drugstores sell travel kits, or you can purchase reusable bottles to decant your favorite products. Solid skincare items, like cleansing bars or solid sunscreen, are excellent alternatives that avoid liquid restrictions and spills. Keep in mind that humidity, long travel days, and unfamiliar climates can impact how your makeup or skincare behaves. Choose items that are versatile, long-lasting, and suitable for a range of conditions. You'll thank yourself later when your luggage feels lighter and your routine stays simple. Breakable or fragile items. Bringing delicate items like glass souvenirs, fragile gifts, or expensive ceramics can spell disaster for your trip. Not only do these items risk breaking during transit, but they also require extra care and protection that can add unnecessary stress. It's best to leave these behind, or plan to purchase such items locally at your destination. If you absolutely must bring something fragile, consider investing in protective cases or bubble wrap. Pack these items in the center of your suitcase, surrounded by soft clothing to cushion any impact. However, even with precautions, there's no guarantee that your luggage will be handled gently, so it's better to avoid the risk altogether. Instead of packing breakable goods, explore safer alternatives. For example, if you're traveling to a wedding or event, opt for durable and portable gifts like digital gift cards or locally sourced items from the destination itself. These are thoughtful and practical, and they won't add stress to your journey. Fragile items also pose issues when passing through airport security. Long waits, rigorous inspections, and potential mishandling can turn a small inconvenience into a major headache. Travel lighter by leaving anything delicate at home and enjoying peace of mind. Items you can buy at your destination. Many travelers overpack by including items that are easily available at their destination. Things like basic toiletries, snacks, or extra clothing often take up valuable space in your suitcase, only to remain untouched during your trip. By planning to purchase these items locally, you can significantly reduce your packing load. Research your destination to find out what's readily accessible there. From sunscreen to umbrellas, most places cater to tourists and have everything you need. Buying local not only lightens your suitcase but also allows you to support local businesses and potentially discover unique products you wouldn't find back home. This approach is especially useful for short trips or when visiting well-equipped urban areas. Why carry a week's worth of snacks when you can pick up fresh, local treats upon arrival? Plus, shopping locally can be a fun way to immerse yourself in the culture and explore new flavors. Another benefit of buying essentials at your destination is avoiding unnecessary stress at security checkpoints. By minimizing liquids, sharp objects, or other restricted items in your luggage, you'll breeze through inspections with ease. It's a win-win for both your suitcase and your travel experience. And there you have it, the ultimate list of items you should leave behind for a stress-free trip. Packing smart isn't just about what you bring, but also about what you choose not to take. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Edge. Hit that bell icon to stay in the loop with our latest travel advice and inspiration. Until next time, happy adventures and safe travels.